When I started my AI business, I was terrified of how much it was going to cost me. I would be overthinking like a $5 software subscription. But I knew that I had to pay for something to actually build and sell these AI automations, right? So my goal was to find one tool that could do as much of what I needed in one place for as cheap as possible. And I'm talking about it had to be able to build these AI agents, it had to build me a website, email marketing, it had to be my CRM, it had to help businesses rank higher on Google, it had to allow me to send contracts and payments, invoices, because I didn't want to pay for DocuSign and Calendly and Zapier and HubSpot and all of these random tools. And I also wanted it to be affordable, so my budget was like under $300 a month. And if you list it all out like that, it does sound pretty ridiculous what I was looking for, but I was genuinely able to find something. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the tool is that I found, how it works, how to sign up yourself if you want to start an AI agency, and I'm going to walk you through everything right now. So the tool that I found is called HighLevel. And now HighLevel these days is pretty well-known thing. A lot of people know about it. But back then when I found it, it was like a gold mine. It was like I struck gold because this one thing could do pretty much everything that I needed. So this video is for people who've heard about HighLevel. Maybe they're on the fence about joining it. I'm going to show you how I use it inside out, how powerful this tool really is. And maybe you already have it. And I'm going to just unlock some more functionality for you and show you some features that you didn't know about. The way that I categorize like needing a tool is in two ways. So one is I need features for my clients because I need to actually do things for them. And then features for myself because I also run a business, right? So I need to have things internally all sorted. So as an example, what did I need for my clients out of a software? I needed to build AI agents for them. So like Instagram agents, SMS agents, voice agents, being able to actually, provide a service to solve that problem for them. I needed to build websites. That was part of my early offer, like just offering websites is like a foot in the door and then upselling them later. Custom workflows, so automating processes that they have in their business, that's important. Building chat widgets, getting them more reviews, sending emails and SMSs and all of that good stuff. So I needed to have these features, and thankfully HighLevel does that. But then for myself, so I run my own business, of course, right? So I wanted to track all of my leads. Who am I talking to? Who's interested in buying my services? Who's about to close? Things like that. I needed a booking system. So I didn't want to pay for Calendly, like just, $15, $20 a month just for people to book a time with me. So I wanted the software that I'm using to have a booking system. So people can go in, they can see my availability, they can book if they're interested, all on autopilot. Then I wanted to build a website for myself. So of course I need my own business website. So this was important. I didn't want to pay for Wix or Weebly or actually paying a custom website developer, at the time. I wanted to send invoices and contracts. So I didn't want to pay for DocuSign, like QuickBooks, those kind of things. Like I would rather just have it in one place. Collect payments. So, how am I going to collect payments? Am I using Stripe? Do I have to set up all these different banks and payment processors? I would rather just have everything in one place. Make and post social media content. So, of course, I'm an influencer. That's how I get a lot of my clients from. So I needed a system where I could just keep posting videos on autopilot. And thankfully, HighLevel did all of these things in one place, which I'm super thankful for. It actually does a lot more, but this is the core stuff that I needed. So if you're in a similar space and you want to do this for your clients and you want to do this for yourself, HighLevel is that one-stop shop that has everything that you need. So here, let me walk you through how I'm using HighLevel inside of my business. So number one is that the conversations tab is awesome. So I can track everything that's going on in my organization, connecting my SMS, email, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Anytime somebody messages anyone in my organization, it comes into one central place right here, and I can see exactly what's going on. And I can actually have AI respond to their messages as well. So you can see here that these are all Instagram DMs that are being answered, which is awesome. Then we have the calendar feature. So this is where people can book directly onto my calendar. And I think that this is super underrated because it makes my life super easy. So for example, like if I click on share calendar, inside of Go HighLevel, I can create a full calendar here where people can come, they can book directly on my calendar right there, give me their information, and then it syncs directly to Google Calendar as well. It does the appointments, it makes sure people shows up. So it does confirmation, email and SMSs 24 hours before, an hour before, 30 minutes ago. So it makes sure that I don't get any no-shows or, keeps it as low as possible. So I don't have to worry about that. So I love that part of it. And then if you go inside of the calendar, you can see what you can customize. So you can play around with your availability. You can change the intervals. You can decide, what form they have to fill out before they can book. You can also accept payments as well. So if you do like hourly consults for like $50, $100, whatever that looks like, you can actually charge them before they book an appointment, which is actually really cool. This is what I was saying about the notifications and things like that. For example, reminders, you can go over here and then you can enable reminders to go out 10 minutes before. You can do maybe like 24 hours before. You can do 48 hours before. Whatever you want to do, it basically just sends that on autopilot for you. So you don't have to worry about people, not showing up, which is super cool. Connect this with your Google Calendar, which is awesome. And then you can also customize the look. So that's how the calendar function works. Super underrated. And then you can embed this onto your website as well. So people come onto your site, they can say book now, and then it takes them directly to the calendar, which they can book on. Then you've got the opportunities. So here, this is where you can track your leads like I was talking about. So over here, you can see like new leads, hot leads, who's interested, who did you win, which customers have you won, and then you can move deals across this pipeline. So you just drag it, you can drop it. This keeps you on top of everything because, if you're running a business and you're serious about it and you've got a good lead gen system, you have to be able to track it. Like leads are going to fall through the cracks. You're going to forget to follow up with people. And that's naturally going to happen, especially when you get more volume. So you need a CRM system like this to track your pipeline. I think a lot of people overlook this because they just, keep it up in their head or they use their notes app or like Excel. You need a CRM like this. And what I mean by that, you can actually click on this and then you can, store information about these deals. So you can go to the notes section over here and you can say, he was interested, but can't pay yet. Follow up in 2 weeks. So something like that is super crucial because it's going to tell you what happened because you're going to forget. You're likely going to forget, right? And then you can set a task over here, add task, follow up on payment, copy that, make that the task. And then here you can set a due date and a due time. So now there's no excuse. You're going to basically get reminded that you need to follow up with this person to close this deal. The money is made in the follow-ups. A lot of people, they get their first objection and then they just forget about that deal. But if you're persistent and you stay on top of it, you can close a lot of deals this way. And this is only going to help you with that. So you can track everything inside of your CRM there, as well as how much money you're making, how much you're closing, what your conversion rates are like. All of that is super important here. Then we have the payments tab. So I love this because it allows me to keep track of all of my invoices, payments, what money's coming in, what money's going out. So you can see here that this is where you can send invoices. So you can do new invoice up there. You can do create a new invoice. And then this is basically how you collect money. So you can decide who you want to send it to. You connect their information there. You can connect this to a product that you have. So let's say that somebody wants to buy the CRM and then you can do the custom price. So let's say I sold it to them for $1,500. Then you can connect that right here. And then you can set any terms you'd like, tax, discounts, things like that. Click send. They're going to get an email and SMS with a link where they can pay with their credit card the invoice that you sent them. So the money goes directly to your Stripe account and then you receive that super simply. You don't have to do any bank transfers. You don't need to exchange any information. You send an invoice through Go HighLevel. They pay it. You receive the cash. It gets sent to your bank from Stripe. I love that. It's made my life super easy. So I don't have to follow up with all these payment methods and things like that. The other thing you have in this section over here is contracts. So contracts is a big thing, especially when you get legal, right? So for example, here's a contract that we had. You can just upload a PDF that you have. And then what you can do, I'll show you here, is that whenever there's a field that somebody needs to fill, so for example, a date over here, you can do add element in the top left. You can drag this date element and then it becomes fillable. So what I mean by that is you add that here, you click send. The person who is meant to fill it out, they can click on that, enter today's date, and then sign the contract. So the way that you sign it, I don't have any fields for it here, but you can go over here, click on signature, and then ask for their signature right there. They can e-sign this. You will receive a notification and a copy that someone has signed your agreement and they're ready to move forward. That is amazing. That makes my life super easy because before I had to use DocuSign, which is basically the same thing, but I didn't want to pay for it. So if you go over here, like $20 a month. Like, I know it doesn't sound much on its own, but $20 for this, $20 for Calendly, $50 for HubSpot, all of this stuff adds up, right? So you want to keep your costs as low as possible. So yeah, that's like what DocuSign does. So we can do that directly inside of Go HighLevel, which is amazing. And then you can keep track of all your documents. So how many are out for signing? How many are we waiting for others? How many are completed? All of that is done over here. And then a bunch of other things here. So payment links, subscriptions, products, so coupons, anything you want to do here can be done inside of the payment section. Then we have the AI agents section. So I told you guys that part of the service that we provide is AI agents for businesses. So of course, I want to be able to build those. So that could be a voice agent, for example. So I don't know if I have any in this sub account, but like a voice agent. So if I click on that, yeah, these aren't built, but basically the idea is that I want to build an AI receptionist for a business, and I can do that inside of HighLevel. Or I could build maybe an Instagram agent. So you can see this is an Instagram agent right here. Now, of course, I'm not going to go in full detail here on how it works, how it's set up, because I've got a million tutorials for those. So if you ever do want to learn anything that I'm showing you and like the basics of Go HighLevel, I have a free school community here where we have almost 45,000 people, which is amazing. At school.com/automate, the link will be in the description as well. And here you can see how to start an AI business in 5 days, going from day 0 to day 5. Everything you need to learn on how to get HighLevel, how to get set up, how to use this software, how to actually get paying clients, come up with an offer. Everything will be covered for free inside of this course over here. So if you like anything that you're hearing and you want to learn how to do this, then you can just join the free course. Link will be in the description. So building this AI agent, super easy. You can see here that we've got a prompt, like you're an assistant for this person. We're an established law firm, sound professional and respectful, answer all the questions, book appointments. So we basically just tell it what it needs to do. It gets the job done. It talks to all of our leads on autopilot 24/7. It's amazing. So if you're interested in building that, then we have a lot of tutorials. Marketing. So I told you guys that I, want to automate my social media content. This is what helps me do that. So you can see here that on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So it does the auto posting for me for all of my posts. I can track the content, the comments, the statistics, everything here inside of one place, which is super cool. So you can see here we got like over 300,000 impressions, and I don't know what time frame this is, but the social media is doing really well, which I'm very happy with. We can send email campaigns from this tool, which is awesome. So we send a lot of emails, so you can see all the deliveries here, and everything can be tracked inside of the system. I've got an email guy, so I don't know too much about email. Automation, so this is the lifeblood of the entire tool. So like I automate pretty much my entire business. So from the second a video of mine goes out, somebody comments on that video, my Instagram DM agent will reach out to that person saying, hey, sorry you were interested in Hamza's video. Are you looking to start an agency, or are you looking to buy his services? And then I have an AI agent in my Instagram DMs basically selling for me 24/7. The way that that all works is through this system right here. So I can show you an example of one of our automations. So here, like this is like an automation when someone comments on my hair salon automation. So basically it goes out saying, hey, glad you're interested in, selling custom SaaSes or whatever this example is. Comment yes if you're interested. If they comment yes, then we send them a link to like a tutorial to watch. So that's just one example, but you can see here that it goes like step by step on what I want it to do. And then it just sends people to different offers, different websites, different programs, depending on what they're looking for. But all of that is done inside of HighLevel. And you can see that I've got, dozens, hundreds of pages of these workflows that just work 24/7 behind the scenes for pretty much everything that I do in my business. Then we have the site section. So websites, funnels, everything like that is built directly inside of HighLevel, which is super cool. If you look at their templates, they've got thousands of templates based on all of these different niches over here. So anything you could really need, if you ever need to build a website for yourself or for customers, you can do directly inside of the software, which is super cool. You just click on choose template and you can start editing it. It's like a drag and drop builder. You can redesign it however you'd like. And I recommend, playing around with this, because this alone is super valuable. Like you can build unlimited websites for as many clients as you want. So it's basically like a free cash machine. It doesn't cost you anything to build them. The templates are pretty good. Charge them $500, $1,000, $1,500 a website, and then you're making some easy cash pretty quickly. So this is an asset that you have in your pocket. The other feature that I really like is the Google review system. So You can track your Google reviews, how many you're getting, how your rank is doing. I obviously want to move up the rankings as fast as possible. So I send out review requests to my customers. I see the reviews that come in. My AI automatically responds to the reviews directly from the system right here. And then I optimize my Google profile as well. So if you search my business, Hexona Systems, so you can see we rank really well. We've got a lot of reviews. The business is in very good standing. So HighLevel has helped me do a lot of that. So you can see that it's super optimized over here. I followed all of its instructions. I have a full tutorial for this on my YouTube channel. So if you guys don't follow me on YouTube, everything that I'm talking about here, I basically break down in all of these videos. So like this video is on how to rank #1 on Google, restaurant system, automations. Like just go through my videos. You'll see pretty much everything that you need to follow what I'm saying over here. And those are the main features that I use here. Now, there's a lot more. You can check them out in my free course. How do you actually sign up for HighLevel? So like I mentioned, the plan that I'm on is on their $497 a month plan. So that's almost $500 a month. That's their highest plan. I don't think you guys as beginners would need that. The plan that I recommend is their $297 a month plan because that allows you to do something called white label. So you can see here in the URL, it doesn't say go HighLevel, but it says my company's name, which is Hexona Systems, which is my logo over here. So I basically rebranded the website as my own. And then people can, my customers basically never see the word HighLevel. They simply just buy my software. So if you can afford $300 a month, then I recommend that you do that. If you want to sign up using my link to get access to all of my pre-built automations, my bonuses, website templates, access to my private community as well inside of school, so different to the free one, and then more access to me, you can use the link in the description to sign up for HighLevel. You'll automatically get an invite to join the school community, and then we've got an advanced course in there for you, included free of charge when you sign up for HighLevel. The other option you have is if you can't afford $300 a month just yet, you can buy my version of HighLevel. So this Hexona Systems software that you're seeing over here, I'll put the link in the description, but you can license that from me. So you can go to licensing.hexonasystems.com. Basically, the way that it works is you'll just get a sub account under my broader agency over here. So I'm basically going to license that out to you. You can get a couple of clients, try out the software, make sure you're happy with it, get your feet wet, and then you can transition into your own Go HighLevel agency down the line. Either way is fine. I offer this to people, as like a financial aid option where it's like beginner friendly, not a big commitment for you. Try it out yourself and then decide if it's right for you. So you can go over here. It's about a fraction of the price, so it's $97 a month if you want to license it from me instead of $300 directly from Go HighLevel. So you can sign up with the link in the description as well. It's going to take you to my private community called the Hexona Licensee Hub. So you can join about 300 other people who are getting great results like Jacob. Jacob's a cool story. So 4 days ago, he's like, I got my first paying client. And then the same day, he's like, I got my second paying client in the next day, which I thought was super impressive. Emil just got his second client. Mark David is crushing it. So a bunch of people, doing a lot of great things with the course, getting a lot of success. So if you want to join them, by all means, you can get your license from licensing.hexonasystems.com. And then you have access to everything that I just showed you in this video, this exact same tool that you can use for yourself and for your clients as well. So everything that we talked about. So this is just a snippet of what's possible, but I wanted to show you how powerful a tool like this is and what you have available to you at your fingertips, because most people don't realize. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys inside with my community. If you decide to jump in, try it out for a month. There's no commitment. See if it's right for you, and then feel free to cancel anytime. So looking forward to meeting with you. I hope this was valuable, and I'll see you on the other side.